So this morning I got up at 5 a.m. and I woke up in a fright the moment I saw that it was 5 a.m. You must be wondering what it's 5 a.m. That's early in the morning. What are you doing up at 5 a.m. in the morning? Well, actually, it's kind of late for me. I actually get up at 4 a.m. And I got up for me a little bit late because, and you notice that I'm here driving, it is because just it messed up my morning. Things didn't go as planned. I set my alarm for 4 a.m. because I get up early. At 4:15, I'm on the road jogging. I do my little 4 miles and then I get up. My son, he has a volleyball practice at 6 a.m. and then the day goes on further, so on and so forth. And then on top of that, I checked my YouTube video and get it ready to download. It's scheduled to download. And then for some odd reason, it gets flagged. I'm like, oh no, right? So I'm having all these challenges, things that I actually did plan. The 4 a.m. clock to wake me up, I did set it the night before. I made sure everything was set and good to go, and it didn't go off. And then, like I mentioned earlier, I think in relationships is just like that. In relationships, things don't go as planned. Things don't work out the way you want it to work out. And you plan, you prepare, you get set and all that. But even if it doesn't go the way you planned it to go, even though it doesn't go lockstep in the way you made sure your T's are crossed and I's are dotted, you made sure that whatever it is, sometimes things don't go the way you wanted planned. And that's okay. Those things happen in relationships. What do? You don't quit on the relationship, right? She may do something that disgusts you, irritates you, angers you, whatever it may be. And this is not what we agreed upon. This is not what we planned for. Whatever it is that, whatever justifications may go in your mind, my encouragement to you is don't give up. Don't quit. My encouragement to you is to work the problem. Go figure it out. Go talk to some professionals. Go talk to some friends, some mentors. Get help, get support, get therapy, do whatever it is, right? I have couples who've been with each other for so many years, but they're getting support. They've tried everything. They've tried one therapist, something didn't go right, and then they're seeing another therapist, that didn't go right, and now they're seeing me. Whatever it is, they keep on going. That's what I just love about being a therapist is these couples, they pay the money and they do the work and they try until they see progress, and they do. And I want to encourage you, don't give up. Keep on going. I think that's one of the things about healthy relationships that lasts for so long. You see many of these people who been married for 30, 40 years, and they'll tell you it's not easy. It's an up and down. It's a mountain relationship and mountain peak relationships, and there's valleys. But one of the things I know that I've always heard, because I would listen to these relationships, what are the lessons of people married for 20, 30 years and things like that? And they'll tell you it's not easy. Obviously, they'll tell you that's not easy. But one of the underlining themes, the thread that goes through each of these conversations of these people who've been married for a long time is that they don't give up. They don't quit. They keep on going. They cultivate that friendship. They cultivate that closeness. They cultivate the ability to share, to talk, to enjoy each other, to work through the conflict, to understand each other. It's marriage is hard work. But the thing about it is that this is your best friend. And you may be thinking like, well, it doesn't feel like my best friend. Well, the thing is, in every relationship, it takes work. Even the guys that you hang out with, man, that takes work, right? You guys get together, you guys talk, you guys laugh, you guys enjoy each other's company, all that kind of stuff. All those things take work. It takes investment of time. Maybe there may be something that one of your friends say that you don't agree with in politics. Maybe you're a Republican and your friend is a Democrat or a libertarian or whatever it is, different views. Well, you just work it out and say, hey, it is what it is. You have different views, but that's not going to stop our friendship. And the same thing with marriage. It shouldn't stop the marriage just because you don't see eye to eye to certain things. And the word there is compromise, right? The word in those sorts of situations where you don't see eye to eye with your wife is having compromise, where you're able to eventually see eye to eye and go heart to heart. And so things are not going to go as planned. Things are not going to go the way you want it to every single time. And that's life, isn't it? That's life. And it's in those moments where things don't go as planned that makes us better, that makes us stronger, that makes us have better communication, to work together, to be on the same page, to have and to cultivate, to strengthen those communication skills. If you follow me on my YouTube channel, you'll hear about communication skills and closeness. I enjoy working with couples who have difficulty in closeness and intimacy and not feeling safe to share those really deep emotions, those underlying emotions and those thoughts that they have just suppressed all these years but not able to share. So I enjoy working with those types of couples. And maybe that's what it is with you. And however, I speak to the point again, things won't go as planned. But even if they don't go as planned, be encouraged. The key is to keep going forward together. Keep working the problem together. Keep figuring it out together, right? That's the only way this is going to work. If you've been enjoying these videos and it's been adding value to your marriage and relationship with your wife, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like it, comment in the bottom, and put down, I'd like to hear what are the lessons that you learned and what helps you to do things together in spite of the things that don't go as planned. What helps you to work together in your relationship? Like, comment, share this with friends and family members, right? As many people do are married, obviously, or in relationship. Share this with them and hope it provides value and encouragement to them. All right. Hope this helps. Enjoy your day today. Enjoy life. Take care.